low-protein diets and kidney repair. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, makes it difficult for the kidneys to remove waste from the body. Too much protein can increase the workload on damaged kidneys. Because of this, low-protein diets and kidney repair strategies are becoming more common in natural treatment plans. Reducing protein intake may help slow disease progression and support better long-term kidney health. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Why protein restriction matters. When the body breaks down protein, it produces waste like urea and creatinine. With weakened kidneys, these waste products build up. Eating less protein can reduce this strain and improve how the kidneys function. Benefits of low-protein diets. 1. Reduced kidney stress. Less protein means fewer waste products for the kidneys to filter, helping protect remaining kidney function. 2. Lower proteinuria. Reduced protein intake can decrease excessive protein leaking into urine, a key sign of kidney damage. 3. Improved metabolic balance. Supports better electrolyte and acid-base levels in the body. 4. Fewer uremic symptoms. May help with nausea, fatigue, and loss of appetite common in CKD. 5. Helps delay dialysis. For some individuals, slowing disease progression can delay the need for dialysis. How much protein is recommended? Early to moderate CKD, 0.6 to 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Advanced CKD, not on dialysis, 0.3 to 0.6 grams per kilogram per day, often with special supplements such as keto analogs to prevent nutrient deficiencies. Always follow guidance from a healthcare professional or renal dietitian. Best food choices. 1. More plant-based protein. Beans, tofu, quinoa, and nuts in controlled portions are easier on the kidneys. 2. Supportive foods. Berries, cauliflower, cabbage, olive oil, and herbs like turmeric help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. 3. Balanced nutrition. Adequate vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats are essential for overall health and kidney protection. 4. Proceed with caution. A low-protein diet must be monitored. Too little protein can weaken muscles and the immune system. Proper planning ensures safety and effectiveness. Low-protein nutrition is a promising approach to support kidney repair and slow CKD progression. Combined with healthy lifestyle habits and professional guidance, it can help individuals maintain better kidney function and quality of life. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.